We're getting ready to check out of the campground, the KOA campground in Spokane. Maggie's driving today. We are going to go to Costco while Bill ran to get his haircut. Well, Maggie, your driving day is over. Good morning to you too.
Good morning. I got stickers.
Stickers? What kind of stickers?
Bigfoot stickers.
Oh, cool.
Because anyone that knows my history. And then some for the kids.
Oh, fun.
But, yeah, stickers.
Cool.
Hey everyone. Well, I spent the last week or so of this trip looking like an 80-year-old. My hair was getting shaggy, my beard looked like rubbish. And I finally decided to get cleaned up today, and I'm feeling so much better. Thank you to Christine at Weldon Barber here in Spokane, I guess is where we're at. So much for getting me in today and getting me taken care of. I feel 1,000,000% better, and now I'm feeling a lot more comfortable in front of the camera and stuff. Anyway, if you ever get an opportunity, if you live in the Pacific Northwest and you're in Spokane, definitely check out Weldon Barber. Absolutely fantastic job. So anyway, now to go catch up with Angela. She's over at Costco spending more money, and we'll see how bad that gets. But anyway, y'all take care.
And I got this for the bourbon, and you could store it in this leather cooler thing. Like, that'll be the basket.
Oh, okay.
For the scar stuff and the bourbon stuff.
Very cool.
So now all we need is some more glasses.
Got our Costco shopping done. Now we're going to go grab a quick brunch at IHOP.
Nice warm weather we're having here.
Oh yeah.
It'd be nice for towards the end of the week.
Probably better than Georgia right now.
Yeah. Well, it's actually been cold and rainy there.
Oh,
From like
trying to paint a bus in that weather.
yeah,
oh, I saw his videos. That sounded like fun.
for like 9 days straight we've been getting rain back there. Dude, this is awesome.
Not this time of year. There's no AC in here.
Right.
And it's like a static war zone in here. You touch that pipe, you'll get shocked.
Lights.
Yeah. Semi-soundproofed.
Yeah,
I just close this. And
home.
bike storage as well. Fun stuff.
boardroom.
Yeah.
Nice.
But he found like all this stuff. These are old prop poles out of an apple orchard in Wenatchee.
That is
Just wanted to
badass.
ask the farmer if we could have them. It's like, yeah, sure, take them their junk.
No, no such thing as junk.
It's pretty amazing.
Just art if you have the right brain for it.
Getting settled in for the night. We're here for an Oregon State Park.
Hey guys, Philip Power Hungry. So today we traveled from Spokane area. While we were there, we stopped at Diesel Power Products to meet Brian and Josh and the rest of the crew over there. Get a tour of their facility. Absolutely fantastic visit with them. Their facility is amazing. Like Vinny and I are both like, we could just move in here, you know, put a couple of beds in the corner. It'd be great. That would be fine. And we are now at a campground, the Mimaloose campground, right on the edge of Mount Hood in Oregon. We will be camping here for the night. We've got a great view of the water, of the Columbia River, and it's going to be a fantastic evening. Winding down, we've already had dinner. We've got beverages and cigars, and it's going to be just a relaxing kind of night. Drive went well today. Construction, it was windy. Wasn't terribly concerned about it, but you kind of got the feeling like the camper or the bus was going to blow over. It was kind of hairy for a minute, but great drive overall. And tomorrow we get up and we are off to Salem, Oregon to get ready for the No BS OBS show, which was the whole reason for coming out here. So we're going to have a good night's rest. Very short drive tomorrow, 3 hours or so, and then get set up. Invite you all to come out. We would love to see you at the event. If you're coming out, make sure you swing by the booth. If you're not coming out, you should be coming out. And we'll catch you all tomorrow. So y'all have a good night, and see you Thursday and Friday and Saturday. Take care.